In this tutorial I will show you how you can add shine or light to anything. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Color Lookup. Choose Moonlight 3DL. Reduce the fill. Create new layer. Double-click here. Uncheck Transparency Shape Layer. Change the blending mode to Color Dodge. Now choose the Brush tool. Change foreground color to white. Reduce the flow 10% and opacity 100%. Start painting. Now create new layer. Reduce the flow 5%. Change the blending mode to overlay. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.